Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk about this Atkins Strawberry Shortcake Meal Replacement Bar. Although I'm currently not doing the Atkins diet, I do like having these meal replacement bars on hand for times when I'm too busy to be able to get food or I need something to grab and run out the door. These aren't as large as some other meal replacement bars, but they are to me the perfect amount of sweet, crunchy, and crispy to get you through a sweets craving while also filling that protein need. You can see here it has that strawberry pink on top with the drizzle across as well, and it's nicely coated along the bottom. The inside has kind of like Rice Krispie bubbles in it and just a really lovely texture. The mixture is perfect. The crunch you get when biting into this bar is really lovely. I really enjoy it. It is definitely one of my favorites. So guys, I love them. They are the perfect snack. I have them in my bag at the office and also at home. I love them. I'm sure you will too, but that's just my point of view.